welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rhea and my YouTube channel is Rhea_Home44. So, if you haven't watched the part 1 of this video where I talked about the pros of owning a Lazy Boy sectional recliner based on our personal experience, which is me, my husband, my children, you should go watch it first before watching this video, because I don't want you be influenced with my cons list first without watching the pros first. Because, you know, to be fair with Lazy Boy, I have a list of pros and I also have a list of cons, but you go ahead and watch that first. So if you've seen the previous video on the part 1 of this review of Lazy Boy recliner, I've mentioned a lot that we really love our Lazy Boy. It is one of the best purchase or expensive purchase, and also the best furniture that we've owned. But having said that, I have a list of cons that I'm going to talk about today. So one of the cons that I'm going to say is that the quality of the lever is not great. The lever to recline breaks easily. We have actually changed it 3 times already since the beginning. Like, we've owned this Lazy Boy recliner for a little over 5 years now, and we've broken the lever, you know, the pull of the recliner 3 times. And we actually have the last type of replacement, which we did not install anymore because they changed the model or the part. It still is a lever or a pull for the recliner, but I guess they have improved it. But what we found out, well, actually not me, because my husband is the person that always have to replace it. What my husband found out is that it is a little difficult to install it. So I've mentioned it in my pros that they will replace the part for free, but you're gonna have to pay for the shipping. And when we first had the lever broken down, so the lever is the pull to recline, but when we had it broken down, we were like, okay, we're just gonna replace one part. And I couldn't remember how much we have to pay for shipping, but I guess it was under $30 or maybe 20 something, but it was less than $30. So as I was talking about the lever for the pull, the recliner, which is the pull, this is the part that I'm talking about. So on the right side of the recliner, this is the thing that you had to pull so that the recliner will recline. This is the one that always breaks based on our experience. That right there, that always breaks. And basically, when we pull this, and for some reason, I mean, we are very careful and very, you know, because we take care of our recliner, but I guess the quality of the pull is not very good. So when we first had as I was saying earlier, you have to pay for shipping. And then the next time this piece broke again, which is this one, the pull. So we wanted to order 2 same parts so that we have a backup. But I guess they don't allow it because, you know, they said they can only send 1 item at a time, which is a bummer because, you know, every time you have to replace it, then you're going to have to pay for shipping, because our goal was, if this piece keeps on breaking, then we're going to have to order at least 2 pieces. So we have a backup and we save on the shipping cost. So the next item on my cons list is that it needs at least 2 people to put back together after cleaning or moving. Now, I was talking about on my first part of this review about how it is easy to take apart if you're wanting to vacuum underneath. But the con of it is that it is a little difficult to put it back together. So you need to at least have 2 people. Like, it's always me and my husband trying to put it together after I vacuum underneath the floor. But, you know, it would have been nice if since it's easier to take it apart, it would be nice if it's also easy to put it back together, you know, just requiring 1 person. The next item on my cons list is that the leather started peeling after 4 years of use. And it is especially significant in the head area where you lean your head is and the bottom area. Now, we did not do any kind of special treatment with this sectional recliner. We clean it just using damp cloth, but as you can see, it's peeling off. Now, there is discoloration for sure because I tried to purchase something that's supposed to be like a leather recovery or something like that is supposed to make it better. It made it worse. But these are the unrecovered part where you can see the peeling of the material, and over here too, right there. So as you can see, it doesn't, I mean, it didn't peel immediately, like after 1 or 2 years of use, but it doesn't look very good anymore. But you know, since this sectional is a little pricey, like probably double price than the regular recliner or other brands of recliner or sectional, we were hoping that this would last longer than the other ones. But you know, that's one of the cons that we really was, I mean, for me, I was truly disappointed because, like I said, it's a little pricey compared to other brands, and we were hoping that this would last us longer, like maybe, I don't know, 10 years, 11 years, because our, you know, we used to own a leather recliner before, not even a recliner, just a leather couch that we purchased for probably about $600. And that one lasts longer, about 7 years, a little longer than this one. So we were pretty sad. My children, they were super sad when we were thinking of getting rid of this recliner, because like I said in the first part of this video, we super love this couch. We really enjoy this. But you know, I guess this is the other sad part of having to own something that you were expecting to last longer, but it did not. But you know, I just want to throw it out there and mention it. So the last final item on my cons list is that, so I was talking about how the peeling were showing on the parts of where you lean your head and on the bottom area. So I actually contacted Lazy Boy's customer service because I was hopeful, because they have like a lifetime warranty promise. So I sent them an email, sent them a picture of what it looks like over here on the back, and I asked them if that is something that is covered with the warranty. So they came back and emailed me back, and they said no, it's not part of the warranty, which is, I guess, fine, because if it's not, whatever, it's not. But I emailed them back and asked them if this is something that they could fix, like reupholster, or you know, basically just fix it, because we want to keep it for as long as we can, and then if Lazy Boy can fix it, then we would have it fixed. Then they came back and then they said they can fix it, but for just this part over here, just the back, they said it's gonna cost $500, a little over $500 for the material, just for the material, and then you're gonna have to pay for the installation, or the, you know, the labor of the person that's going to fix it. So if you're gonna count, this is 500, let's just assume 500, and then this is 500, and I'm gonna have to fix it like 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4, 5. I guess that's fine over there because we hardly use that. Paying $5,000 to have it fixed, I'm not sure if that's worth it, because we're gonna end up paying more than we actually purchased this sectional recliner. So my husband and I, we talked about it, and we were super disappointed with how it turned out. But it's not just that. We enjoyed, like I said in the first part of this video, we loved it. But now I guess it's time to let go of this, because there is no salvaging this furniture other than spending another 5,000 grand or 5 grand on this one. So yeah. So that is a wrap. I am going to show you videos at the end of this one because I was talking about how it was hard to put it back together. So I'm going to show a video of that, a short video of that, and then I am going to show you a video also of a close-up of what this peeling off would look like, and another video of comparing the old model of the lever, the pull that I was showing earlier, and then the new model that my husband found out that it would be difficult to install. So that's going to be at the end of this video. So yeah, I hope you find this video helpful. And like I said, this review is totally unbiased because this is based on our personal experience, which is mine, my husband, my children. So we did not care for whatever people would say or think about this video, because this is what and how we feel about this recliner. And I hope you find this helpful. And if you're trying to consider purchasing La-Z-Boy recliner, go look at the pros video and then the cons video, and then do your own research. Don't base your decision by just viewing this video. Always base your decision by research and watching other videos as well. And I hope you find this helpful, like I said earlier. But to my current subscribers, we are getting stronger. Thank you so much for always supporting me. Sa mga Bisaya, daghan-daghan kayong salamat sa pagsigyo tanaw sa akong mga YouTube videos. Sa mga Tagalog, maraming salamat sa parating pananood ng mga YouTube videos ko. And to all my viewers and subscribers all over the world and here in the United States, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And to those that don't know me, since I always say thank you in different languages, because I am originally from the Philippines, and I want that personal thanks or saying thank you to my people in the Philippines. That's why I have special pieces of thank you. So I hope you like this video. To the new viewers and subscribers, or to the new viewers that haven't subscribed me yet, please don't forget to hit like and then subscribe to my YouTube channel, Rhea_Home for 4. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye! And as you can see, I am starting to wear something that have my YouTube channel, so that, just a little bit of marketing there. And I want to give a really loud shout out sa tanan akong mga kaila sa Dumanjug, Cebu, Philippines, sa Manila, sa Makati,